Hello friends, welcome back. Our today's topic is mensuration. As we know, mensuration is one of the very important topic for any kind of competitive exams. Let it be bank, SSC, railway, UPSC, CSAT and placement trainings. In all the exams, question from mensuration will be asked. Friends, if you are preparing for railway and SSC, then mensuration plays a very important role. You can expect more than 4 to 5 questions from mensuration alone. So friends, in our today's class, we are going to study a sphere. You are going to learn a sphere, and this is the third video on a sphere, friends. So I will suggest you to please watch the previous video so that you will be able to understand the concept clearly here. Now friends, starting with the question number 1. So if the surface area of two spheres are in the ratio of 4:25, then the ratio of their volumes. Now friends, surface area of a sphere will be 4 pi r square, and volume of the sphere will be 4 by 3 pi r cube. So friends, this has been already discussed in the previous videos. So if you watch the previous videos, you will be able to understand. Now, so friends, the surface area of two spheres are in the ratio 4:25. So suppose first sphere radius is r, and the second sphere radius is capital R. Now, so their ratio surface area ratio is given 4:25. So 4 pi r square divided by 4 pi r square. So this radius is r and this radius is r. Now 4 by 25. So friends, 4 pi and 4 pi cancel. So r by r will become 2 by 5. 2 by 5. If you calculate the square root of this, then you will be getting 2 by 5. Now friends, we have to calculate the ratio of their volumes. So volume of one sphere divided by volume of the another sphere whose radius is capital R. So volume will be 4 by 3 pi r cube, and here also 4 by 3 pi r cube. Now 4 by 3 pi will get cancelled. Sorry, here it is capital R now. So friends, basically r by r whole to the power cube. So r by r is nothing but 2 by 5 of cube. So friends, it will be nothing but 8 by 125. So you can say the ratio of the volume will be 8:125, and friends, option D will be the correct answer for the given question number 1. Now friends, moving towards the question number 2, which is a very important question for the today's class. Question number 2 is a very important question, friends. So if the radius of a sphere is increased by 2 centimeter, so suppose you have a sphere here, friends. So suppose if you have a sphere here, and earlier the radius was r, and now the radius of the sphere is increased by 2 centimeters. So r plus 2. So because of that, what is happening? Then its surface area increased by 352 centimeter square. So friends, the surface area is increasing by 352 centimeter square. So the radius of a sphere before the increase was. So you have to calculate the radius of the sphere before the increment was. Okay. Now friends, so what is the surface area? So friends, surface area of a sphere will be nothing but 4 pi r square. Okay. So friends, earlier the surface area was 4 pi r square. Now what is happening? Because the radius has been increased, so surface area will change, 4 pi r square. So here the increased radius we have to write r plus 2 square. Okay. Now friends, because of the radius incremented by 2 centimeter, the surface area is increasing by 352 centimeter square. So before the surface area was only 4 pi r square, but now it has become 4 pi r square plus 352. Okay friends, now let's see. So 4 pi r plus 2 square minus 4 pi r square will be equal to 352. 4 pi you take common, friends. So r plus 2 square minus r square is equals to 352. Now friends, 4 pi, so 4 into 22 by 7, and this will be a plus b square. So a square plus 2ab. So 2 into 2 is 4, and 4 into r is 4r plus 4 minus r square is equals to 352. Now r square and r square will get cancelled here, friends, and 22. So friends, if you'll see, 22 will divide this by 16 times. 16 into 22 if you will multiply, friends, 22. So 16 into 20 plus 2. So 16 into 20 is 320, and 16 into 2 is 32. So this will become 352. So this 16 times it will get cancelled. Now 4 will divide this by 4 times, and 4r plus 4 will be equal to 28. Now 4r will be equal to 24 and r will be equal to 6. That means friends, the radius of the sphere before increment was 6 centimeter, and after increment r plus 2, that means 6 plus 2 is nothing but 8 centimeter. Okay, so friends, what has been asked? The radius of the sphere before the increase was 6 centimeter, and option D is the correct answer for the given question number 2. So friends, question number 1 and question number 2 for the today's session, both very important question, and I hope you would have understood the questions, first question number 1 and question number 2. Thanks a lot friends for watching the video.